President Buhari don congratulate the new NBA president. President Muhammadu Buhari don congratulate Olumide Akpata unto the election wey he win as the president of Nigeria Bar Association (NBA). He wish am success for the new position wey he go take lead Nigeria lawyers enter road of professional development and fulfilment. As lawyer of over 20 years wey don hold better positions for the legal association, President Buhari yarn say him get ogbonge trust for Mr. Akpata knowledge and experience on top law, corporate world, and say him go engage with government at different levels. President Buhari come assure the new leadership of NBA say him administration go continue to dey cooperate with them as dem dey face challenges and opportunities wey dey for the legal profession and for the country as a whole. This na the ogbonge informate wey bring come for una on top with tori for today as President Buhari don congratulate the new NBA president Olumide Akpata. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na him carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayende.